Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I am Tish. I am a creative full-time career mom who loves to share anything from productivity, lifestyle, and creativity on my channel, and I'm so happy to have you here. Today's video is all about an on-the-go car bag. What is that? Well, let me tell you this. I love to carry essentials with me, but I am a bag lady. I have a bag for everything. But so I thought about this when I would hop in the car with my husband, and sometimes I would just carry my wallet because he says, hey, let's go for a ride, and then I'm looking around his vehicle for things that I may need. And I mean, he's a guy, he carries his bare minimum, okay? So if we are going to hop in the car and I just grabbed my clutch or just my keys and my ID, and I'm, you know, without certain things, I thought, what about if I just create an on-the-go bag for his vehicle, so when I want to do an impromptu road trip with him and I don't have time to plan, I'll have some essentials already in his vehicle. But then I thought about, let's take it, you know, past his vehicle. If my mom wants to come by, or my niece, or, you know, friend girls, and it's just, hey, just hop in the car, let's go grab a bite to eat, I could carry this bag with me everywhere I go. So in today's video, I want to share with you what I am carrying in my on-the-go bag. Now, with this particular bag, I am hiding in my husband's truck so that he doesn't feel like he has to access these things. So if you're interested in my on-the-go car bag, stay tuned. So here is the bag that I am deeming my on-the-go bag, and I love the print. I have to start off by saying I love this print. It is from the Wrong DeVoe collection, and you can find her prints in Michael's, Joann's, I think Hobby Lobby, but she came out with a fabric and it is available at Joann's. I absolutely love this print, and I love the diversity of the girls and how chic they are. Okay, so enough about the bag. Whenever I see it, I have to talk about it. So this bag is big enough for the essentials, and if you're interested in this bag, this is on my website, www.shoptishb.com. I have wet wipes, just the individual ones, lotion, because lotion is always needed, especially with the sanitizing and using the wipes. My husband tends to never ever have moisturizer in his car, so I keep that in here. Kleenex, one of the other things that he never ever has. No shade to him at all. Now, and he does keep sanitizer, but I just like to have my own just in case he has taken his out and put it in another vehicle and I don't have to keep looking for it. I do have some concentrated room spray, and this is the Hibiscus Waterfalls from Bath and Body Works. Now, I keep this because I don't know if the vehicle is going to smell like leftover food, or, you know, fuel and gasoline, or just, you know. So I keep a spray, and I also have a pair of sunnies that I keep in here. Something for my lips, and this, come on and focus for me here. This is a Himalayan pink salt. I get these from not Bath and Body Works, but Dollar Tree. They come in packs of 2, and I really do like this lip balm, so I purchased several packages of them. They come in packs of 2, so I keep one in my mobile on-the-go bag. And then I have some more wet wipes. I always keep these if I'm not wiping down a surface. I use them for, you know, if we're eating somewhere, we need to wipe something off of our hands or our clothes. I keep tons of wipes. And I also keep extra disposable masks. He does keep these in his vehicle, but I like these. So sometimes he may have a few laying around and I don't know if he's used them. So I like to know that I have my own in here. Typically when we go on these impromptu trips, we're going to go pick up something to eat. So I just have a little Ziploc bag with some toothpicks in here. I also have my own charger. This keeps me from having to use his charger that he has in his vehicle, and I can just whip mine out and have mine ready, and then when I'm finished I just fold it back up and keep it in my bag. And last but not least, I have some rechargeable earbuds, and I also have the cord for these that I can charge them up. But you never know when you know, I just need my own sounds in my ear. I may want to listen to a podcast and not what he's listening to. So these are all of the things that I keep in my on-the-go mobile bag. Let me know down in the comment area if this is something that you would do. And am I missing something? You know, maybe I'm not thinking of everything, but this is typically everything that I run to when I am in his car and I don't have my multiple bags of things and I'm not carrying a really big bag. I just tuck these in his glove compartment or the large armrest in the back. That way he doesn't have easy access to it to utilize all of my items. And he won't hear me complain because I have the things that I need when I am in his vehicle. Or, you know, I could also create one of these to just have for when I want to hop in the vehicle with one of my girlfriends. Friends, I hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd appreciate it. And click the notification bell to the right of the subscribe button. And until next time, have a great day.